YouTube. We got a train coming. And, oh my god, there's a car up there. Oh shit. Come on. Come on. Oh, come on. Here we go. Yeah, that was nice. Oh man, that was deafening. That's actually the first time I've ever heard a K5LLA in real life. And I gotta say, that was pretty epic. That was one of the best catches I've ever caught on my YouTube channel. Man. Shout out to that train driver or conductor right there, because that horn show on my first K5LLA, that was absolutely beautiful. I just picked my camera up because I didn't want it to fall over with this train going by, so sorry if the footage is a little bit shaky. I am a little excited right now. But I managed to hold in my, screaming and hooting and hollering just for this rare catch, because this, you don't see this in Georgia every day. Like, you barely see Canadian National come down here in Georgia. Funny thing is, that's actually my first actual SD70As caught on real camera. So, oh crap. Focus. There we go. Wow. I must say, for personal experience of that, I ain't gonna lie, the whole ground was shaking. I wouldn't be surprised if that set off the car alarm. Ah, my God, there's a car. God damn it. Move out of the way! You're in my way! It's fine. Oh. There's the end of the train. And it ends off with HZGX8509. Ah, blurriness. Woohoo! There we go. Absolutely beautiful. I think that was CN 8855 or 88555. I'm not sure. I'm not sure, but that was one of the best catches I've ever gotten on my channel. So yeah, that's about it. See you in the next one. Peace out.